Welcome to FinTech Watch. If you've been curious about investing but only have $100 to start with, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to show you how easy it is to start investing, even with a small amount of money. First, let's talk about why the stock market is a great option for growing your wealth. The S&P 500 has historically returned an average of 7 to 10% per year over the long term. This means that even a small investment like $100 has the potential to grow significantly over time. Here's how to get started with your $100. Choose the right brokerage. Decide your investment approach. Commission-free brokerages like Robinhood, Webull, and M1 Finance have made it easy to invest with no fees. The platforms are beginner-friendly, offering both fractional shares and the ability to invest in ETFs. There are two main paths you can take as a beginner: individual stocks or ETFs. If you're interested in individual stocks, this means buying shares in companies like Apple, Amazon, or Google. Many platforms allow you to buy a portion of a share, so you don't need to fork out thousands of dollars to own part of these big companies. A safer, more diversified option is to invest in ETFs. For example, an S&P 500 ETF allows you to own small portions of 500 companies. Now that you've decided what to invest in, let's talk about how your $100 can grow. The secret is compound interest. Over time, this effect becomes exponential. Start small, but invest regularly. Even $100 invested monthly can grow over time. Think of this as a marathon, not a sprint. With just $100, you can start building your financial future today. Thanks for watching FinTech Watch. Be sure to subscribe for more beginner-friendly investment tips.